Vajrakaya Green Power Private Limited is the largest manufacturer of biodiesel in eastern Uttar Pradesh. Our manufacturing plant is spread out over 5 acres. It is women entrepreneurship company. It is a benchmark for biofuel industries with the highest recovery rate and unmatchable quality. We have best technology and process machines for production of biodiesel with our state-of-the-art factory and our lead working process. We can produce 60,000 liters every day. During the production process, every drop of raw material undergoes a series of quality control tests at various stages. Our research and development team are working hard to improve the quality of the product. We manufacture biodiesel, B100, ISO 15607-2022 certified. Let us take you to our manufacturing process. We use the raw materials available in the world for manufacturing our biodiesel. Biodiesel is a clean-burning fuel that is gaining popularity as an alternative to traditional petroleum-based diesel. Biodiesel is an increasingly popular alternative to traditional diesel due to its renewable and clean-burning properties. In this video, we will walk you through the 5 key steps involved in manufacturing biodiesel, so you can gain a better understanding of this fascinating process. The first step in the biodiesel manufacturing process is selecting the right feedstock. Feedstock is the raw material that is used to produce the biodiesel. It can be derived from a variety of sources, including vegetable oils, animal fats, and recycled cooking oil. Each feedstock has its own unique properties, which can impact the quality and efficiency of the biodiesel produced. Once the feedstock has been selected, it needs to be pre-treated to remove impurities and contaminants. Pre-treatment typically involves heating the feedstock to a specific temperature, adding a catalyst, and filtering out any solids or water. This step is crucial to ensure that the final product meets the required standards for biodiesel. Transesterification is the process by which the feedstock is transformed into biodiesel. This involves mixing the pre-treated feedstock with an alcohol, such as methanol, and a catalyst, such as sodium hydroxide. The mixture is then heated and agitated to encourage the chemical reaction to occur. Transesterification results in the separation of glycerin and the formation of methyl esters, which is the primary component of biodiesel. After transesterification, the biodiesel needs to be washed to remove any remaining impurities or contaminants. This involves mixing the biodiesel with water, which causes any remaining glycerin, catalyst, or other impurities to settle out. The mixture is then separated, and the biodiesel is dried and filtered to remove any remaining water. The final step in the biodiesel manufacturing process is testing the biodiesel to ensure it meets the required standards for quality and performance. This involves a range of tests, including measuring the flash point, viscosity, and acid value of the biodiesel by our quality check team. Vision of Vajrakaya Biofuel is to become global supplier of biodiesel. We are committed to improve our infrastructure and product quality continuously. We look for better cooperation with our customers to expand our business globally. We are Vajrakaya Green Power Private Limited.